Can intermittent fasting really help you lose weight and boost health? This question has sparked curiosity and debate in health circles for years. While it might sound like another fad diet, intermittent fasting is rooted in a simple yet powerful idea cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting. This isn't about restricting you eat, but rather you eat. Emerging research suggests that this approach could hold a key to unlocking a range of health benefits, from weight management to improved metabolic function. Throughout history, humans have fasted for various reasons, from religious practices to survival during times of food scarcity. Our bodies are remarkably adaptable and have evolved mechanisms to cope with periods without food. In fact, intermittent fasting taps into these ancient biological pathways, potentially triggering a cascade of positive changes within our cells. But before you jump on the fasting bandwagon, it's crucial to understand how it works, the potential benefits, and the risks involved. Intermittent fasting is less of a diet and more of an eating pattern. It doesn't dictate foods to eat, but to eat them. This flexibility is one reason for its growing popularity. Instead of adhering to strict meal plans, you cycle between periods of eating and fasting, with fasting durations varying depending on the chosen method. The science behind intermittent fasting revolves around its impact on our metabolism. When we eat, our bodies release insulin to process glucose from food. During fasting periods, insulin levels drop, and the body starts tapping into stored fat for energy. This metabolic switch can lead to weight loss and other health benefits. Additionally, fasting seems to trigger cellular repair processes and reduce oxidative stress, contributing to overall well-being. There are several ways to practice intermittent fasting, each with its own schedule and fasting window. Two of the most popular methods are the 16-8 method and the 5-2 method. The 16-8 method involves fasting for 16 hours each day and restricting your eating to an 8-hour window. For example, you might skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. The 5-2 method takes a different approach. Instead of daily fasting, you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. For instance, you might choose to fast on Mondays and Thursdays, consuming only a very light lunch and dinner on those days. Both methods have their pros and cons, and the best choice depends on individual preferences and lifestyles. Intermittent fasting has gained considerable attention for its potential health benefits, supported by a growing body of research. One of the most well-documented benefits is its positive impact on insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance, a condition where cells don't respond properly to insulin, is a major driver of type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, potentially reducing the risk of developing this chronic condition. Weight loss is another area where intermittent fasting shows promise. By reducing the overall time window for eating, people naturally tend to consume fewer calories. Moreover, the metabolic switch that occurs during fasting, where the body starts burning fat for fuel, can contribute to weight loss. Research suggests that intermittent fasting can be as effective as traditional calorie restriction for weight loss, with the added benefits of improved metabolic markers. Beyond physical health, some individuals report increased mental clarity and focus during fasting periods. While more research is needed, this effect could be attributed to changes in brain function and neurotransmitter levels during fasting. Section 5. Potential risks and considerations. While intermittent fasting can offer various health benefits, it's not suitable for everyone. Certain individuals should avoid or approach intermittent fasting with caution. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, and those with certain medical conditions like diabetes or heart disease should consult their healthcare providers before attempting intermittent fasting. It's important to listen to your body and be mindful of potential side effects. Some common side effects, especially in the initial stages, include headaches, fatigue, and irritability. These symptoms usually subside as the body adapts to the new eating pattern. If you experience severe or persistent side effects, discontinue fasting and consult a healthcare professional. Section 6. Getting started with intermittent fasting. If you're considering trying intermittent fasting, start slowly and gradually ease into it. Begin by pushing back your breakfast time by an hour or two each day, gradually extending your fasting window. Staying hydrated is crucial during fasting periods. Drink plenty of water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee to keep your body hydrated and curb hunger pangs. When it's time to break your fast, focus on nutrient-dense foods. Prioritize whole grains, lean protein, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables to provide your body with essential nutrients after a period of fasting. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a license to overindulge during eating windows. Making healthy food choices remains crucial for reaping its full benefits. Section 7. Weighing the pros and cons. Like any health approach, intermittent fasting comes with its own set of pros and cons. On the positive side, it offers a flexible approach to weight management and can improve insulin sensitivity, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's relatively simple to implement, doesn't require special foods or supplements, and can lead to sustainable lifestyle changes. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Intermittent fasting can lead to initial side effects like headaches and fatigue, and it's not suitable for everyone, especially those with certain health conditions. Social situations involving food might pose challenges, and it requires careful planning and discipline. Section 8. Conclusion. Your journey to wellness. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool that can potentially transform your health and well-being. From improving metabolic function to aiding in weight management, the benefits are undeniable. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution and requires careful consideration of individual needs and health conditions. If you're considering embarking on an intermittent fasting journey, thorough research and consulting with a healthcare professional are essential first steps. By understanding the science, methods, and potential risks, you can make an informed decision about whether intermittent fasting aligns with your health goals. Remember, your health journey is uniquely yours, and finding sustainable healthy habits is key to achieving lasting well-being.